Hey, this is just a list of the things I had on flashcards for the kids. I had 4 cards with just these 4 terms on the one side. And on the back of radius, I had any of this information they found helpful. The radius of a circle is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. Since a circle is basically all the points that are the same distance from that center, it doesn't matter which direction it points. It could be a line from the center to the right edge or to the bottom or the top, or doesn't matter what direction. The radius is always half the diameter because the diameter is the distance all the way across a circle. It goes through the center, across the widest spot, should be the same no matter what way you draw it. If it's drawn across, up and down, diagonal, and it's twice the length of the radius, since the radius is only halfway across. Diameter is all the way across. Circumference. It's not a straight line, it's a distance all the way around the whole outside edge of the circle, so the outside. And area, of course, is a flat surface, like the inside part of the circle. I also had 3 flashcards I did up that were formulas. And the formula, like for the area of a circle, anytime you want to find the area, you take pi and multiply it by the radius squared. And I've told everyone that that means you do pi times the radius again. So if you're given a diameter, they say the diameter is 4, for example, the radius would be 2, so you do pi times 2 times 2. The formula for circumference using the diameter, if you're given a diameter, you can just plug that right in for circumference. All you do is times pi times the diameter, multiply them. And if you have the radius, you just do 2 times pi times the radius. And I didn't put this on note cards, but I'm writing it everywhere around, that we're going to say pi, for our purposes, is about equal to 3.14. We don't know the exact value of pi. We have a lot of digits that we know are part of pi. Very powerful computers can get you down to millions of digits, but we don't need that kind of a detail. We just need usually that. If you want to be fancy, 3.14159. That gets you several more points of data, more accuracy rather. But you know this. We can usually say 3. Like if there's a multiple choice question, you can really just use 3. It gets you close enough, usually. But 3.14 is what I've been telling everybody. All right, that's the flashcards in a nutshell.